Hello everybody, welcome back to Coding with West Pie. My name is West Pie, and I'm just excited to do this video. Like the other videos I'm always excited about because I'm learning something by teaching, but this one is more about appreciation. Christmas is right around the corner, New Year's, all that good stuff. Thanksgiving just came up, and so there's a lot of good holidays, there's a lot of good times, there's a lot of good cheer, and a lot of good things happening. But the thing that's really happening right now is the fact that this channel is growing, and it's growing quickly, way quicker than I could have thought or expected. And I really appreciate that. We have now hit the first milestone that I never thought would have ever happened, which is 25 subscribers. This is huge. This is awesome. This is amazing. This is lit. Like, I'm so happy. Actually, we hit 26 subscribers, but I was expecting to do this video at 25, but I come home and there's 26. So we're doing this video right now. So, as you know, we're doing the Python tutorial right now, and this is going very quickly. It's going very well. I'm just pouring through the knowledge and getting it out there. So, when someone really needs that, they can come to me and I have it prepared, ready. But once we're done with this primary tutorial, going forward, it'll be Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday releases, okay? So that way it'll be at a more reasonable pace that people can keep up with. Also, we may be doing a Java tutorial, as you know, I do use Java for Android as well. That's my secondary language, actually. And I also am thinking about doing some, video games. I'm a UFC fan, MMA, boxing, love that stuff. I play UFC all the time. I'm really good at it, and I smash people a lot. So that'd be pretty fun to watch, I think. Also, I love anime. I identify as a weeb. I'm a total nerd, like it's just who I am, right? So, what I think I want to do is like some anime review videos. I think that would be really cool, so I can keep people up to date with the current seasons and also some of the older shows because. I've watched a lot of the older shows, and I'm a really big fan of them. Actually, so much so that I got my girl into them now, and now she's like all up in Naruto. So, yeah, I have that effect. Anyway, so I really do appreciate everyone who likes my videos, comments, subscribes, engages with them, watches it. I mean, the watch time is actually pretty high. We're at like 140 minutes. That's crazy. That's a lot. That's a lot of time, guys. Like that means you guys are really watching my videos, which is what I want. That means you're learning something. I'm super excited about that. That means I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, which means I'm making good content. So keep watching the videos, keep learning. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. You can always reach me in the comment section. And, if things keep going well, then who knows where we'll go. Maybe we'll get a social media or something like that going. So until then, Monday, I'll be releasing another video. So take care, happy coding, happy holidays, and I'll see you later.